Cue heavy breathing. So a couple weeks ago, I did my top 10 favorite all-time yarns. I will put the video link below. And I reached out to Purl Soho because one of my favorite yarns, which is the Merino Cashmere Bloom, was one of them. And I found out that they had an affiliate program, and I reached out to them and I was like, hey, PS, can I be a part of that? And then this just showed up in my mail. So we're gonna open this up. If you don't know, Purl Soho is a company. They used to have a store in New York. It was so beautiful. If I'm correct, they don't have that store anymore, that storefront. It's stunning. Their yarn is probably known for being really top quality, high end. They have their own brand, and it's only their own brand in Purl Soho in the store. And I am so excited because this stuff is like a splurge. This is like a not your everyday go into Michael's, pick up some yarn. This is Purl Soho. So we're going to unbox this together. I don't know what's in this. It is 3.75 pounds. When I originally reached out to them, I ended up finding out that one of my old testers, and also if you know Gavi from Hello Gabriella, or I think it's Gabriella Knits, she also has beautiful designs. I found out that she works for Purl Soho. She was like, can I send you some yarn? And I was like, yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. So without further ado, let's get to it. I have that's all the sneak peek that I have seen, because I was like, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to cut this and not cut into yarn. So let's go into it. Is it all one? Oh my God. Shut up. That is so pretty. What did they send? Okay, I should have brought a, Gavi also knows my color palette, so clearly beautiful. This is Purl Soho Super Soft Merino. It's 100% merino wool. It is in the prettiest pale pink. This has got to be a chunky bad boy. So this one is approximately 87 yards for 100 grams. So we're talking definitely on a super bulky range right there. US size 11 or 13. Oh, yeah, that is so pretty. So 2 of those. It's so soft. Some Merino Cashmere Bloom. This is the one that I was talking about in my other video, talking about my top 10 favorite yarns. Yeah, Merino Cashmere Bloom is so pretty. It is soft. It does have cashmere in it. This one is 218 yards for 100 grams. So if I'm correct, it's around sorry if my math isn't working, but I think it's a DK. Yeah, and this one is 75% extra fine merino wool and 25% cashmere. This one is in the colorway Heather, Crocus Bud. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's got kind of a variegated, but not. So 2 of those. We're gonna have to make some projects. You guys are gonna have to help me. What am I going to make out of these things? And then from there, there's also Purl Soho knitting yarn, 100% merino wool. This one is 219 yards for 100 grams. So yeah, we're probably looking at a DK weight, hand wash, lay flat to dry in Chive Blossom. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of those in that colorway. I don't know if you can see these, to be totally honest. And then from there, they did the same thing, but with different colors. So this one is in Piglet Pink, which that's so cute. Sorry, I will give you the label. My bad. That is so pretty. And definitely it's not as soft as the Merino Cashmere Bloom, and this one definitely has more of a soft feel to it. This one feels a little bit more rustic, but still extremely soft. Again, four of those, little cuties. And then the same thing, except in like this beautiful, beautiful like sea foam green, which is like it's called Blue Willow. Again, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. What the heck am I gonna make out of these? I have, we're talking about 220 yards to, so 224, 40, 880 yards. Put your ideas in the comments. So, oh my gosh, thank you, Purl Soho. That's so sweet of you for sending these. I hope you also enjoyed opening some stuff with me. So again, there are 1, 2, 3 of the knitting yarn, which is 100% merino in these different colors. Again, that is Chive Blossom, Piglet Pink, and then also Blue Willow. Yeah, Blue Willow. Look at me remembering things. And then they also sent this stuff. I'm like, this has got to go into a hat. This is Purl Soho Super Soft Merino. It's 100% merino wool. Oh, so pretty. And this is in the color Ballet Pink. Again, very apt for myself. And then Merino Cashmere Bloom, which is, again, one of my top 10 favorite yarns that I've ever used. And this is in the colorway Crocus Bud. So I will put a link below so you can shop all of Purl Soho. Their stuff is divine. You are not going to find anything that feels scratchy. It's the easiest way to put it. When I went to go visit their store in New York back in like 2017 for the first time, I just like wanted to just like rub my face across the entire store because it was just so unbelievably soft. Okay, now shoe, because I'm gonna get to knitting.